Welcome to the installation of the SportRack Mooring 4-in-1 kayak or paddleboard carrier. The mooring is designed to carry 2 kayaks in the stacker position, 1 kayak in the J cradle position, 1 kayak by the hull, or 1 stand-up paddleboard. First, determine which length carriage bolts you will need for your crossbars, then proceed to loosely set up the mounting hardware. Slide the carriage bolts through the corresponding holes and place the top plastic brackets onto the bolts. Now place one end of the metal bracket onto the bolts and loosely tighten one wing nut. Proceed to attach the cradle onto your crossbars. Lay the mooring on top of the bar and swing the bottom bracket around and tighten the second wing nut. You can then completely tighten the wing nuts until they are very snug. Once fully tightened, shake the cradle to make sure it does not slide. To change the angle of the vertical mast, loosen the gray knob and adjust the upright to the desired position you wish to use. Angled is ideal for carrying 1 kayak in the J style. Straight vertical for 2 kayaks in the stacker style. Or all the way down for carrying a kayak by the hull or for a paddleboard. With the weight of the kayak evenly distributed on the carriers, always be sure to loop your straps around the inside of the roof rack's tower. This will prevent the chance of a strap sliding off the end of your crossbar. Thanks for watching the installation of the SportRack SR5514 Mooring 4-in-1 Kayak or SUP carrier. If you have further questions, visit us at rackwarehouse.com or call us at 800-272-5362. And always remember, we fit your lifestyle. Boom!